So over here, you can see that I got a bunch of video clips, and if I were to press the space bar, you can see that it just plays around. But let's say what I want is I want to go ahead and then add in some background narration to the video clips. So to do that, you can see that there's a microphone icon right here. Once you click on it, then you'll have the record audio option. So here you can see that there's options such as choosing your device, but in my case, there's this line in. So I'm just going to click on line in right here. And then over here, you can see that there's input. So I'm just going to choose input audio over here. So you can see that there's mute project is an option. So if you actually have a background music, so what mute project does is it'll mute out the background music for you so that there's no disturbance while you're actually recording your project out. So I like to keep that on. So now in order to start recording, simply hit the record button and start speaking. So there's the countdown right there. Hello, and this is the test recording that is being done on these wonderful cuts of videos that has been put together. So hope you guys enjoyed learning the course. So just like that, seems like it sounded a bit robotic, but no problem. So now it recorded the audio, and over here you can see that there's the audio clip, and I can edit this as if I'm editing any other audio clip. So if I were to press the space bar, you'll hear the audio. Hello, and this is the test recording. So now that's it, and that is how you can add in voiceovers onto your projects in Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.